Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out with Afterpay in store. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so checking out of Afterpay in store involves a few additional steps compared to online purchases. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the Afterpay app, and you can get it from the App Store or Google Play Store, and then launch the Afterpay app on your smartphone. And then you need to log in to your Afterpay app, or if you haven't created an account, go ahead and create an account by providing your personal details and payment information. And then from there, navigate to the Afterpay card. So tap on the card tab at the bottom of the screen within the Afterpay app. If you haven't activated your Afterpay card yet, follow the prompts to activate it. This may include verifying your identity. And then you need to create a barcode. So tap on the option to create a barcode for in-store purchases. This barcode will be used to make your purchase at the register. So go to a store that accepts Afterpay and select the items you wish to purchase. Once you've selected your items, go to the checkout counter and then inform the cashier that you'll be paying with Afterpay. And then from there, open up Afterpay app and show the cashier the barcode generated for the purchase. The cashier will scan the barcode. This will process the payment through the Afterpay account. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a notification and email from Afterpay confirming your purchase and payment schedule. And you can view and manage your upcoming payments in the Afterpay app.